Space news. L3 Harris strikes again. Another major deal for L3 Harris. Space news coming out of Washington. L3 Harris Technologies won a $765.5 million NASA contract deal to develop the imager for the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration Geostationary Extended Observationist Satellite Program. Yeah, that was a long one, guys. But the cost plus award fee contract for the GeoXo Imager, known as GXI, covers development of 2 flight instruments and includes options for additional imagers. The contract also covers 10 years of an orbit operation and 5 years of an orbit storage. GXI, a multi-channel passive imaging radiometer, will gather high-resolution, visible, and infrared imagery for monitoring such things as the weather, ocean currents, the environment in the Western Hemisphere. So this is big, you guys. So everything that NASA sees with their satellite imagery, when we're watching the news and we're looking at the forecast and how they get their imagery, it's all going to be now controlled through L3 Harris technology via this GXI multi-channel passive imaging radiometer. So once again, GXI will provide this data on a variety of topics, including cloud formation, atmospheric conditions that we're experiencing across the United States with the atmospheric rivers, the land surface temperature, smoke, dust, volcanic ash plumes, aerosols, air quality, and vegetative health. So pretty much all the things we're experiencing with Mother Nature, from volcanic eruptions, for fires in hillsides of California, from temperature, whether it's out of control in the heat or if it's out of control in the cold, they're able to diagnose this with the special imagery they have. And you can probably do an Earth view through your Google website and see this imagery that we're talking about here in the news. So GeoXo NOAA's successors to the Geostationary Operational Environment Satellite R series include 3 satellites. Now, one is over the eastern United States, the other one is over the west, and the third one is in the middle. The eastern and western satellites will be equipped with the GXI. So the budget for this is $19.6 billion. A 6-year budget through GeoXo satellites. Operations and support will be over 30 years, and this was improved in December. So this is big news for NOAA and NASA. They will jointly oversee the development. They will do the launching of the satellites, the testing of the satellites, the operation of the GeoXo satellites. So I'm here to bring you the news, people, the space news. Everybody's gathering satellites in the sky, whether it's geo satellites, whether it's low Earth orbit satellites. The space will no longer be a space in the next century. So stay tuned with more news regarding L3 Harris. Anybody that's putting satellites into space, I will give you that news as we go along in the world. As the world turns, matter of fact. I'll give you the news as the world turns. Didn't want to take that slogan, but it fits me best right here on Clicked Up TV. Peace. I'm out.